So for 3 months, we're focused very specifically on the things that you need in order to balance yourself out and to get as healthy as possible. At the end of the 3 months, I'm not saying that, you're going to be restored and everything is going to be perfect, but you would have done the foundation of the necessary work. So there are some systematic things that I would like to do with you over the course of these 3 months. And in addition to that, you're learning how to create new habits and why you're doing these things. And it's just going to, just unfold so you don't feel overwhelmed with it, because there's a lot of things outside of just food that will cause you to have the challenges that you're having. Just the mere fact that your field of work that you're in and your stress levels are high, and you have these moments of high stress, then it may come down, and just the spiking of that, it will have an impact on you hormonally, right? And that can contribute to, believe it or not, it can contribute to high blood pressure, and it can contribute to diabetes. So we need to do something to help you to process your stress differently. So we need to make sure that we are addressing things from a stress perspective. And then another big factor when it comes to high stress is your quality of sleep and how much sleep you're getting overall. So we want to make sure that you're doing all of the things to support a healthy environment outside of the food. Then when it comes to food, we still need to do things a certain way. So under normal circumstances, for example, when the body is balanced, having fruit in the morning could be a really, really healthy thing for a person to do. But for you, having fruit in the morning, it's counterproductive, and it won't move the needle as far as helping you to reverse your diabetes. It's a healthy thing. You'll feel good having it, but you'll stay where you are. You'll have to continue to take meds or insulin. But if we're talking about you reversing it and not having to take insulin, not having to take any meds, then we need to look at a different type of breakfast for you. So it's 3 months of really teaching you the right things that you need to do to create a foundation of balance. Because the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a healing environment. Whenever you hear diabetes and blood sugar levels and things like that, you have you're insulin resistant. So what we want to do is we want to create insulin sensitivity, and that's a process. So I want to do things a certain way with you and teach you how to create a healing environment for yourself so that your body can actually respond to all of these natural things that you're doing. Does that make sense?